Dr. Satyanarayana, the world is very complicated. You see, it is very difficult to deal with people because all are not well-trained mind. Mind become basically evils. And you see, you can compare mind with land. Land become useless because there is no planning. So nature will not stop. Nature will do something. Land is a natural product. So it will start breeding. So if you are don't plant seeds of mangoes or juice or rose, there will be a lot of other seeds of nightshade, weeds and thorns and so many nonsense will come. Similar is the case with mind. So if the mind is not well trained, majority, 90% people become criminals because it is natural to fall. See, to rise is difficult, but to fall is very natural. And falling is what? In the trap of evils. Evil thought means greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynicism. Then my best friend Kabir Das said, if 90% people are criminals, they are ill-behaved, they are ill-trained, they don't know how to control their mind, because mind is very powerful, but mind is very untrained, mind is not knowing right and wrong. So you have to guide. It is something like driving the biggest car on earth, the best car on earth, but car does not know exactly where to go. Now today there is also program car. Means they are taught how to go, right?
Yes.
GPS and all these. Elon Musk is making automotive car. Yes. You program it, it will take you. But it is giving guidance, right?
Yes.
So mind needs some kind of guidance. That is called wisdom. Our mind is great chariot, but Krishna was driving rightly, right?
Yes.
Rama, so driver is the wisdom of the man who is handling things. So if the mind is not driven well, mind doesn't know where to go.
Yes.
So 99% people are not trained. That is called real education. What is real education? Train the people so that they know how to survive in the society. Like Putin, Zelensky, all these people are big people but not trained people. They have been trained superiority complex, hegemonistic attitude, conquering others' land, murdering. Alexander. Another was greatest conqueror than Alexander. He was very criminal. Who was that?
Genghis Khan.
Genghis Khan, the monster. He tortured the human being in such a worst way. Then our invaders in India, they tortured every Indian innocent
Babur,
Hindus.
Akbar, Humayun,
All that. Before that there were more.
Gajnis.
Yeah. There was a more dangerous man, son of that lady, Kareena Kapoor is that name. What about Taimur?
Taimur.
He was very dangerous man.
Yes.
He used to visit Delhi and slaughter start. He start with slaughtering. So what it means to say? World is dangerous. Think good of all. Find good in all.
Be good with all.
Good with all. Don't go closer because 99% people are ill-trained. They have variation in their behavior because mind is not disciplined. They don't know how they will conduct. They are like something beautiful dancing cobras. They can enchant you initially. They will come, talk, nice, respect you. But real venom will start coming after some time. Once they become familiar with you, they know he is a very humble, he is a very polite, he is having not the worldly common sense, and he doesn't know how to deal with these crooked, criminals, illiterate, uneducated fools. Then he will start dominating you. And he will think he is a bloody fool because he is not a crooked man. He is not knowing the tricks of the trade, how to befool, cheat and deceive. So be careful. These kind of people are very dangerous. Thank you.
Thank you.